Oh yeah, it says murder.
Yeah, fucking smartass.
Hello, welcome back to Controversial Opinions. This episode, Donald Trump is doing a fine job.
I'm not a
Hello, welcome back. Fucking...
What?
I didn't turn my... the fucking stopwatch is ticking.
Fuck, keep it rolling. We
Fuck
got
it,
this.
who
We're
cares?
professionals.
Fuck it, we're playing more A Way Out.
Car's missing a tire. See what we can find.
Missing a tire, looks like the truck is missing a tire. Find the tire.
Okay, so we're trying.
I found a tire. Shit.
Used to lift a car.
So it looks like we're trying to, yeah, get the car working.
Lifts to fasten a new tire.
I have a thing.
I have a thing as well.
I don't know what it's called. I can't remember what these are called. I'm probably... I don't do fucking...
Hey,
Oh, I can be
Gosh,
super
yeah.
strong.
side of the barn.
Yeah, but you're gonna need... What is this? Move. What? Oh,
Ah,
oh.
it's a crane.
Ah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I think one of us has to grab the crane. So come up here. Stop being a strong man.
Fine.
Just don't grab the...
How the fuck do I...
I need the lug wrench.
How the fuck do I run in this again?
Click in the left stick.
Left stick, right, not right stick.
What are you doing? What the fuck?
I call lug wrench.
No. My lug wrench. Ah, okay, yeah. Now let me come.
Oh, you can't let go.
Oh, you
bullshit.
can't just die.
I was just gonna drop.
There you go.
This is my life now.
Yeah, there's the tires.
Yeah.
Alright, can you just chuck it down? Tires are sturdy. Oh. Wow, convenient. Oh, yep.
Now can I just jump down?
Yeah, you can. It'll let you climb down.
Oh, I was hoping for an actual, like...
No, you can't just fall. Okay. Oh, I was gonna say you lift the thing again. My guy's like a
Oh,
businessman.
yes, I can attach a tire in the front.
It's not. What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Do we need to fix up the engine as well?
Battery is out of juice.
Ah, okay.
I don't know if I can get that. Okay, good. I can't get the tire.
Oh my god.
Looks like the battery is out of juice.
Let me. Oh god.
Okay, good. Far out.
Yeah. Okay. I gotta go over here. Oh, attach tire. Attach tire. There we go. You might have to lift it so I can
Alright,
use the lug wrench.
now it's attached. We just need to find a lug wrench to fasten it.
Yeah, I found it. I think you have to do that. Or we gotta like go under and do it.
I suspect we had to go under to do more car repairs.
Yeah.
Where the fuck would a battery be?
Oh my god. Alright, look around. That's where I found the lug wrench.
Okay, done. Now we need something to lift up to pick up to remove the support.
Ah, alright, fine.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Guess we need to lift up the car before removing this.
Yeah.
There we go. Fucking,
I gotta take out the supports.
fucking take out the supports.
Oh, I didn't realize you were lifting it. You guy barely lifted it.
Oh, fucking pansy.
Great. The car has 4 wheels now. That's a good start.
Yeah, but now we need a battery.
Eh,
Right? Or can we push to start it? Can we jump start it? I don't know. Let's push it first of all. Let's go.
Come on, bobsled this shit. Fucking cool
Yes.
runnings.
Yes. Come on. Oh. Oh, fuck.
Did you let go? I don't let go. Did you let go? Whatever. Let's go get it.
We're fucking
They
geniuses.
just bicked at each other. Alright, you have a shotgun.
Yeah, so don't piss me off.
I forgot that you stole that. Okay, oh, what's this? Ah, gas.
Of course, that's why we had to push it
Yeah,
down here.
it's probably empty.
Completely dry.
Okay. Oh, we can jumpstart it using the tractor.
I'll refresh the battery.
Yeah.
Just gotta
Now, do you actually know how to jumpstart a car?
Pop the hood and try them.
Alright. You do that. I'm gonna go try and find gas.
It's connected. Try Try to start the car now.
In a bit.
Gas
Fucking-
canister. I bet it's
Bet it still has some gas.
You gotta
Up.
step on the gas.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure you don't jump start it by having only. I'm pretty sure you also have to have a ground. Like that's the thing you put like the. I think
No,
it's
that's
something
fine.
like,
I
might-
didn't.
I'm completely fucking wrong, but like, I'm pretty sure it's meant to you
Oh,
put the
look at that.
positive in there and then have the ground or the negative.
Ah, we keep the fuel. Smart boys.
Wonder if it was.
Alright, let me start it then.
Why don't I get to fucking drive the car?
To hold the button.
Work this piece of junk. Yeah, I told you so.
Yeah.
I did, but still, I was in doubt.
Are they gonna come fucking find us now?
Thanks, Leo.
I mean, we took fucking long enough.
Yeah.
Like
Well,
3 weeks.
Daddy.
Yes? No, I don't know. It was a while ago.
Oh, for God's sakes, we're still gone.
We need your help now, officer.
Oh, they're in the car. They're in the house.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Are the police on their way yet?
Yes, they'll be here any minute.
What, has he got a revolver? Oh, fuck, that's a big gun.
Just stay here.
It's all right. Just wait here. I'll be fine.
We're gonna pop a cap in our ass.
Oh shit! Take cover!
You're gonna pay for this.
Come on, let's go!
This game is very clearly set in America.
Yep.
Come on!
Oh, I didn't get to drive.
You get in the back. Ah, I drive. Well, he's just shooting at the ground now.
Damn it.
Oh, come on. We just fixed this.
Fuck it.
He ran out of bullets. God damn it. Alright, the great escape.
Wow. We left. We escaped. We changed.
Oh, right. Fuck, wait. They just called the cops.
We changed our identities to Esteban and lived our lives as humble sheep farmers.
We are Esteban collectively.
Yes. We actually have the same like false identity. We're not very good at this.
They can only make the one.
Yep. We can only afford the one.
Oh. Oh, it's going to transition into gameplay, isn't it?
Come and step on it!
Oh, this is a fucking gunny shooty.
Oh joy.
Can't this piece of shit go any faster? Just sit down, Leo. You're gonna fall off. All right, here we go.
Yeah, I have to drive and you have to shoot. Oh, God.
Here they come. Hold on back there.
Oh god, not controller shooting. God damn it.
It has a horn! Ba, 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 ba.
Ah, fucking
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Jesus Christ, I just fucking
Fucking. Oh, God. Ah!
that's really hard to aim with
Fucking
this.
shoot him! Yeah!
God damn it.
Whoa, fuck.
Yeah, don't fucking hit anything. Turn the fucking horn off.
Never! Beep, beep! Oh, God. Oh, you cunts. Oh, fuck. Ah, don't run me off the road. Ah, shit. Okay.
Oh, this is
Oh,
fine.
God.
This is fine.
There's a pile up.
This
Ah,
is
they touch
burn
each
out or
other.
some shit. God damn it, Tyler.
Beep, 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 beep. It's the panic button. Oh, fuck. Although I do. Oh, God. Okay, I'm not controlling this part.
I'm fine. Keep going.
Oh, God. This way. This fucking game is seriously like playing an action movie. Ah!
How much do they fuck up your driving when they...
It's very annoying. Like, it's hard to just keep on the straight path when they fight, especially
We
since...
just outright have like, we're just murdering people now.
Oh, yeah, no, we're fucking... We were already in fucking prison. I'm just amazed at how sturdy this fucking truck is. God damn. Ah, God. When they're on my fucking ass like this, it's hard to even turn.
Oh my god, how much more does that freaking car take? For God's sake.
Woo!
God, it's like Dukes
Fucking
Hazzard.
ramps!
I can't hit anything. Will you drive my
I just tried to take the, like, bumpy road to get him fucking off us. Oh, shit, that's a mountain. Babe.
God, I hate aiming with a controller.
Apparently, we're gonna have to be doing a lot more shit like that. Oh, hello! Oh, there's cops under us. Does it make it easier to aim if it's slow-mo?
A little bit, but not really.
Oh, fuck. Ah! No! Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. Ah, which way, this way? Mhm.
God damn it,
Oh
they're
my
swerving
God.
everywhere.
This truck handles like shit.
Spots are out. We got him now. All units from south to
Ah, cunt. No, don't. Ah.
How the fuck do you lose control?
Oh, God, you're still in the back. Oh, you're fucking. That's a concussion.
stay where you are.
You're not even pointing the gun at us.
You okay? Stop. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Get those.
Oh, you fucked up. Maybe if I was driving you, that wouldn't have happened. Oh fuck, they're actually shooting at us.
Oh, God.
Run, 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 run!
Ah, what is the camera doing?
Run! You're on your own, bitch! Oh,
Oh, there's a boat.
Jesus Christ, this really is an escape, maybe.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Push, 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 push.
Come on. Go. Push.
Why are we getting in a rowboat?
Fucking row! Oh, okay. There's no rowing minigame.
There better be a fucking rowing minigame.
Nope.
Aw, 0 out of 10.
Wow, we lost him quick.
Yeah, we're very slowly meandering down a river. They couldn't possibly fucking
Where the
keep
hell
up
does
with
this
us.
river take us? I have no idea, but the further away, the better.
Is there gonna be a waterfall?
I guess you're right.
I think of course there's gonna be a waterfall. No, it's gonna be rapids, isn't it?
Could be boat. There's a rowing. Oh, we have to switch sides and paddle. Oh my fucking God. Hang on. We have boat durability. Don't turn us into the fucking...
Vincent. Yeah.
There we go.
I think I saw something in the water. It's probably a shark, Leo. There are no sharks in this water.
Oh. We're back.
No, we're not.
For a
How do
little
you
bit.
know? It's Sweetwater. You're a clever guy, Leo.
Oh, God. You row too much. That's... No. Stop.
But I really saw something, though.
No. Oh, fuck. Right, that doesn't turn. That
Oh,
swaps
cool. We,
sides. Yeah. We can both swap sides.
It could have been a crocodile. Seriously? I don't
no. Hard right. Hard right.
Well, watch out then.
Hard right. Why?
I know. I just want to go that way.
You want to go this way? Oh, God.
We can do this.
Oh. Okay, that was a lot of health. We can't hard right. We have to adjust.
Hey, Vincent. Yeah.
Oh, God.
There aren't any bears in these woods? There
Oh, God.
bears in these waters, Leo. Ha! Like I'd believe that.
Okay.
Left. Oh, no, we'll go right. We'll go left. Sorry.
What? What?
Left.
Make up your freaking mind!
Oh, no.
Oh, I didn't do that much at all.
Ah! Microphone. Come back.
Now we get to the river rapids section.
What the fuck are you doing? You're just dancing.
Okay, get ready to go left hard.
So. Okay, that's fine.
Check for the rock.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
No, he's like, watch out for the rock. Okay, just keep going straight.
Hold on.
It's fine. This is
Is that
fine.
showing up on the?
Oh, you son of...
Is that going to show up on the recording?
I don't know. There's not a whole lot of this left. The episode.
No fuck.
Oh god. Nope. That's all the time we have today. See you in the next episode when everybody's out of me and can say goodbye.
We're fucked.
Ah!